Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Lebanese lentil soup. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of red lentils, 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 4 cups of vegetable broth. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, the juice of 1 lemon, and a few common spices like cumin and turmeric. Make sure your kitchen tools are ready, including a sturdy pot and a good cutting board. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your pot over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and carrots, sautéing them until they soften, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, stir in the 1 cup of red lentils, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then immediately reduce the heat. Let the soup simmer gently for about 20 minutes, or until the lentils are completely tender and have broken down. Once cooked, use an immersion blender to puree the soup directly in the pot until it reaches your desired smooth and creamy consistency. If you don't have an immersion blender, carefully transfer batches to a regular blender. Finally, stir in the fresh lemon juice. To serve, ladle the warm soup into bowls and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro, a swirl of extra virgin olive oil, or some crispy pita bread. This soup is delicious on its own or with a side of crusty bread. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.